Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. I will do my best to capture the live trades as they unfold. I will keep you posted. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes. Okay, looking to go short here on SSYS at 112.75. Let's see if it can get up there. Hovering down here in the 112, excuse me, 50 area. All right, and down it goes. All right, I'll keep you posted. Okay, I just picked up some LIIM at 705. Very active chart. You can see right now the breakout is starting to happen to the upside. So I'm going to try to see if I can capture some of this. That's a pretty fast mover. And you know, if I'm able to build a bigger position, I would like to do that also. But we'll see if I can get, you know, kind of what comes first. Either a 10-cent move or the ability to build a bigger position. I know the candles are kind of small. There we go. That gives a little bit better perspective. So let's see what happens here with it. I will keep you posted. Okay, I got 200 of 500 shares down at 665. So my average right now is 694. So I'm looking to kind of scale out, sell some at 705, 710 if we can get a break of that $7 mark. So that's where the trade currently stands. I will keep you updated. Okay, I have some shares here now that are starting to get scaled out. Let's see, I have 690s up. 695 would be my next order. My average I was able to bring down to 675. So I'm hoping that we can get continued move here. A nice candle here at the moving average. Now we just need to see it push back upwards. So we'll see if it can push back up and do that. Like I said, a break of the 690, that seems to be going to be the key level of resistance to get this continuation further along. So we'll see if that happens. If it looks like I'm going to get a 690 break, I will be back. Well, here we go, 688. All right, I'll be back if it looks like 690 is going to fall as support, or excuse me, resistance. Well, here we are again, 688, 690. So let's see if that can fall. So you can see every time these show up on the level 2s, things kind of just stall out a little bit. So there's definitely some resistance there. But I do like a break of the 6 and down. Back it goes to here. So I will keep you updated. I was able to sell a few hundred though on that move up. So we'll see what happens. Okay, going for that 690 break here again. Let's see if we can get it. And there's a 690 break. So I have some more at 705 I'm looking to get rid of. Well, I was hoping for a break of 7, but that didn't quite happen. So try to get some more out at 95. Try to get some out at 93. And I am all out of this one. Just does not fit my personality type at all. Way too much of a slow mover. I very well may get, you know, this chart setup's still fine, but it just, I'm not patient enough for these types, and it could explode and I'll look stupid, but you know, I want to go on and find other things. So let's see if it can, out of curiosity, does it break $7 here? And maybe you're saying, what you're probably saying, you know, why would you do that? The chart setup's still fine, and you're absolutely right. The chart setup is still fine, but I thought this one was going to be a little bit more volatile, a little bit more active. It's just taking too long, a little too thinly traded. I mean, it was fine, but you know, I just don't have the patience for this type of thing, and that's why you know, the whole, you know, tell me what to buy and tell you what to sell. That's why it doesn't work, because as human beings, we're all different psychological creatures. You could be sitting here thinking I'm the biggest idiot right now, but you just don't understand, you know, my mind, just like I don't understand your mind. I'm just not a totally patient person, and it's right now it's looking like you know, I made the right move. However, you know, when I did sell, you know, nothing chart wise was telling me to sell. I mean, the setup was still fine, but just You know, I want to find something else. Just this isn't really fitting my whole personality, and I've gone on long enough. So let's find some other trades. Going for some shares here short at 25.89. Now what is this? RSPP. Let's see if I can get up there. There's a big order sitting in there. What was that, at 84 I saw pop up? Let's watch over there, see if we can see that big order. I was hoping to get up here and I'd be able to short at this moving average, but like I said, I saw a big order, so somebody might be cutting in front, knowing that this is, you know, kind of their cover fire. All right, well, looking like this one, there's the pullback, so it didn't quite hit there, but there's, you know. All right, I'm gonna keep looking. All right, I got partial here at 83.85, and my wife and daughter were down here, so I kind of got distracted, and the bid really fell down quite a bit. So I threw that out there, but I didn't get any fills. So I should adjust that up some though. At this point, I'm not going to call it a downside, but you know, sometimes. Okay, so now I'm all the way in at 85. So it's looking like I'll be able to build a bigger position. Excellent. Go for some more at 84.50 if it can get up there. Oops. Do another 100 there, so make that 300 at 84.50. So, like I was saying, I'm not going to call it a downside, but obviously I missed a nice little move there that I could have had. And where am I looking at? 85 I did, so I'm not a very good multitasker, so I'll try to cover some at 70 if it wants to go down there. So I'm at 65, and then try to get the rest off at, I'll hold on to the remaining 100 and we'll see what happens here with it. So my average is 83.85. But if I'll bring over the 5 minute, you can see the 5 minute super overextended to the upside. So that's why I don't have a problem, you know, building a bigger position if needed. Let's see, we're at 8 minutes. I will pause it and let you know if it looks like I'm going to get filled, either to build a bigger position or to exit out of the trade. I'll keep you updated. Okay, it's getting close to breaking below 80. That would be prime. Just even looking at the candlestick here, it looks like a break below 80 should produce at least a little bit further of a downwards move that would allow me to get some of these orders filled. This one's very volatile. You can see big spread. So I do have orders to build a bigger position, but those are up at 84.75. So, you know, definitely playing this one more on the cautious side. And you can see now back up above 84, so never mind. We'll see what happens. And that fast, you can see 80s back here on the bid. So just need some people to hit the bid down here, and if that can fall, then that should be a thing of beauty. But 80 is definitely acting as support, no doubt about it. It's the lowest it went on this candle, so this is, you know, a good example of charts matching up with what you're seeing on level 2s. Okay, there we go. That's pushed through, so I got 50 shares filled at 83.70. Okay, I'm still 75 shares, so this is quite the pain to get any shares out. There I go. Finally got all those ones out. Let's see if I can get some at 65. There we go. Got those. And I'm just going to take the rest at 64. So not a huge profit, but definitely a jumpy one. I do like these kind with the big spreads. You have to be careful with them and use small size, but worked out good. So let's see if I can capture one more trade here. Okay, going to short some shares here at 118.50 of SSYS. Darn it, it's getting close. All right, I know our video's already long, so I'm going to be more swift. Well, I was 8 cents off on $100 stock. 8 cents, not too bad, but I didn't get filled, so it is what it is. I'm going to wrap things up. If you've enjoyed this video, then there's a couple things I want you to do. First, click the like button down below if you're watching this on YouTube. That lets me know that you're enjoying these, and I will keep making them. Also, if you're watching this on claytrader.com, please leave a comment below. Little things like that go a long ways. So please consider doing that. And then also, if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about how to trade with charts, how to use level 2s, I'd encourage you to visit claytrader.com, and then the training portion of the store offer many courses, all very fairly priced, and also have a live trading group where you can hang out with me and other traders during the day in the chat room. I send out a weekly newsletter, again, very fairly priced. So check that out, and hopefully decide to sign up and at least join us. So read some testimonials, and like I said, thank you for watching, and I'm about to get filled here, so that's why I keep stumbling over my words. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something.